Hello and welcome back guys to another Flutter tutorial. In this tutorial we will be working on hero animation the easiest way. First of all, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. I have already created a Dart file with the name hero and then created a stateless widget in it with the class name myHeroAnimation, and then connected that class with our main dot. So let's start working from scaffold. In the scaffold we will have body, column, children. In the children we will have padding, agent sets .r20. Let me adjust the commas to have better format of the code and add a const here. Padding will have a child, container, decoration, box decoration. So basically guys, we don't need the container decoration here, but it's just for the layout. Let me add const here before box decoration. The first thing is colors.gray. Leave the decoration for now. Let's add a child to our container, which is list style. We'll have leading, gesture detector, on tape. Leave it null for now. Add a child, which is const hero. This will have two things, tag and child. So basically guys, we can say we use tag for the animation call. To the second route, tag is holding the whole animation. If we didn't give the tag, the animation will never work. Let's add a tag. I'm writing it like my animation. Why is this error? Let's remove the const. The child, we have circle avatar, background image, network image. Let me copy and paste the URL here. Always remember to put the commas. It's give better format of the code. As you can see, we have circle avatar with background color, which is our container. Add a const here. Let's give border radius to our decoration, border radius .circular 10, and remove the const and save. Let's add border to our decoration, border.all with 1, colors.gray, and save. Let's change the gray to white. Add a title to our list style, const text Muhammad I, style text style, font weight .bold. Add a subtitle here, const text, for example California, and add a trailing. We'll have icons.visibility. So now let's work on the second route to where we want to display our image. After clicking, this will be void. Second page route, build context. Sorry guys, I made a mistake here. Let's move it inside the last curly bracket. Navigator.obContext.push material page route, ctx in short, scaffold, app bar title, const text. My second page. Body sized box, height media query, .obContext.size.height, because we want to display the image on the full screen. Child will be hero again. This will have tag, which is unique. We already have. Let me copy and paste. And the child will be again a network image. We already have. Let me copy and paste the URL as well. And let's connect this route with our on tape. Copy and paste, context, and save. Let's test our animation. Yeah, it's working guys. Let's remove these white area by adding fit box fit dot cover to our image to hold the full height of our size box. And if we remove the tag, the animation will never work as we expected, because the second route will never know what to do. As you can see, this is unique to every animation. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like and comment, and press the bell icon to never miss an update.